Welcome to our Grade 4 Assembly. Silent prayer. School attention. Standard is attention. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
School song. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shades my deeds pure, inspires me to rise, aspire and cheer through hill and day. Inspires me to rise, aspire and cheer through hill and day. The flames of the Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of the Shakti will lead me on the path of richer wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
திருக்குறள். வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். மிகினும் குறையினும் நோய் செய்யும் நூலோர் வழிமுதலா எண்ணிய மூன்று. விளக்கம். மருத்துவ நூலோர் வாதம், பித்தம், சிலேத்துமம் என எண்ணிய மூன்றும் அளவுக்கு மிகுந்தாலும் குறைந்தாலும் நோய் உண்டாகும். குறள் எண் 941. அதிகாரம் மருந்து. நன்றி, வணக்கம். English thought. It is health that is real wealth and not piece of gold and silver. Hindi thought.
से आज का विचार स्वस्थ आहार का सेवन करें, शरीर को सेवंत रखें. इंग्लिश मीनिंग ईट हेल्थी डाइट एंड कीप योर बॉडी हेल्थी. धन्यवाद.
Today's theme is healthy life. Healthy person is a happy person. Our body needs food to work. Food gives us energy which comes from nutrients like proteins, minerals, vitamins and fats. So, human beings have to choose what to eat and in what quantity to suit their metabolism for proper growth. Eating healthy is needed to balance the different kinds of nutrients that we get from different food sources. Combining a balanced diet with physical activity will help further in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. For a person to be healthy and to remain healthy, he has right kinds of food, stay clean, and the person will feel good automatically.
Balanced diet also include proper intake of water that is essential to keep our body hydrated. Minimum 8 glasses of water is needed by human body. Intake of fruit is necessary as they provide vitamin, minerals and potassium to our body. Milk and its products are very much essential for our growing age.
Good morning, I am Kanis from grade 4. Staying healthy by eating healthy food also allows our mind to think positively. Positive thinking results in our projections and better society. Thus, everything in our life is literally or indirectly related to our healthy eating habits.
One single rule to stay healthy is by eating healthy food and burning the right amount of calories by exercising. This improves the metabolism of the human body and develops immunity.
To have a healthy diet, we have to eat the proper sorts of food.
What do humans need to stay healthy? Your body can do all kinds of things. But to keep it working at its best, you need to look after it by staying healthy. Being healthy helps make sure you feel good and means you're less likely to get sick. It helps you do more fun activities, and it may help you live longer too. So what can you do to be healthy? Well, you can eat a good balance of all kinds of food, including plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits. You can drink lots of water, and you can do lots of exercise to make your body stronger and fitter. Another way of staying healthy is good hygiene, which means keeping clean and washing off germs that can make you or other people ill. Some germs like to travel on your skin. Some will travel through the air. Others prefer dirty surfaces. But simple things like washing your hands before you eat and after you use the toilet will help stop germs getting inside you and making you ill. Last of all, you need plenty of sleep, because this is when your body recovers and grows, so you can do even more tomorrow.
Amazing facts.
Thousands have climbed Mount Everest. 12 people have walked on the moon, but only 3 people have visited the Mariana Trench. Japan is going to allow scientists to create human-animal hybrid the size of a 12,000-year mammoth tusk found in Siberia. Alaska is the only state whose name is on one row on a keyboard.
5 rules for better life: less meat, more vegetables; less sugar, more fruits; less drive, more walk; less worry, more sleep; less anger, more laughter.
Poem: Health is wealth. Eat a balanced diet or else get into a fight. Do it with all your needs or else lose your sights. Leave aside the money, get back some honey. Don't be funny, enjoy the sun being sunny. As health is money, health is wealth. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Now quiz. The first question: which of these is the best healthy option? A. cakes and biscuits, B. fruits and vegetables, C. ice cream and sweets. Answer is fruits and vegetable. Second question. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, you should try to get at least dash minutes of daily exercise. Option A 20 minutes, option B 30 minutes, option C 45 minutes, option D 60 minutes. The right answer is option B 30 minutes. Third question. Why do we need to eat a balanced diet? Option A to give us energy, option B in order for our bodies to function properly, option C to help us grow, option D to prevent us from getting fats. Answer: in order for our bodies to function properly. Next question. What should you do to have a healthy diet? Option A. Eat the same things every day. B. Eat different types of food. C. Eat lots of the same thing. D. Eat lots of food. The right answer is eat different types of food. Which of the following are the best forms of exercise? A. Doing crosswords. B. Playing computer games. C. Playing chess. D. Cycling. The answer is cycling. Next question. Which nutrient provides the most amount of energy per gram? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Fats. D. Vitamins. The right answer is C. Fats. Seventh question. Fruits and vegetables are important because A. They protect us from illness. B. They are colorful. C. They are easily available. The right answer is they protect us from illness. Which of the following food is called a complete food? Options are A. Rice. B. Beetroot. C. Oil. D. Milk. The right answer is milk. Ninth question. Pooja has just woken up. She gets up, washes and cleans her teeth. Then she gets dressed. Before she set off for school, she has something to eat. Pooja has her dash. A. Breakfast. B. Lunch. C. Dinner. D. Supper. The right answer is breakfast. The last question. Which of the following foods are sources of fiber? A. Potatoes with the skin left on. B. Whole grain pasta. C. Apples. D. Baked beans. The right answer is apples. Thank you.
News. International news. Sri Lanka gives Pfizer shots to some as second dose. Indonesia expands nationwide COVID-19 curbs. Australia's largest city, Sydney, locks down for third week. National news.
Modi government creates new ministry to strengthen cooperative movement. Assam's cow protection law move raises concerns in Meghalaya. Thank you.
State news.
Farmers to plant 25,000 saplings around Tamil Nadu. Construction of India's largest nuclear power plant commences in Tamil Nadu. Sports news.
Euro 2020. England dream of glory as they take on Denmark in semis. Safali Verma nominated for ICC Player of the Month award.
Weather report.
Today's weather report: partially cloudy with 34 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Address by Vice Chairman, Sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Brain yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. School attention. Standard is attention. National anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly dispersed.